Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use lists and show multiple components in React. So I'm right now in the documentation and let's see one example which is written over here. So let's say you want to render multiple components according to array. Okay, as you can see here, they have taken numbers array and they are looping over this array using map method of JavaScript, and then they are showing multiple list item according to this numbers in array. Okay, so let's do this similar example in React, and let's show you how to use lists and show multiple components according to that list in React. Okay, so let's open our code editor and let's create a new file in source directory. So let's create a separate component. I'm giving it name lists.js, and inside this you can create a component. So first import React library. Now let's create a class component. So write class and then you can give it name list, which will extends component library. Inside this it will contain render function. It will return us some UI. So first what we want to do is let's create an array. So you can write let's say strings. Inside this let us give some strings. Okay, right now I'm giving some random strings inside it. Hello, what's up? Okay, so array is created. Now what I want to do is I want to loop over this array and I want to show list items. Okay, so how to loop over this array? We write, okay, first of all let's create a division, and inside this we will create unordered list, and inside this we will create 3 list items by looping over this array. So how to do it? First write curly braces and write the name of array, write map method. Inside this we will write a function which will access individual string. So you can give it any name. I'm giving it item, and what I want to do is I want to render list item with text containing the item that I've accessed. Okay, so this is simple. As you can see, I'm just looping over this array and I'm showing that item in the list. Okay, let's see whether it is working or not. Save it, and we have to import this new component in our app.js or index.js. It's your wish. So let's import it here. So as you can see in the previous video, we have made this component. So I'll show the list items just beneath this button. So first let's import our new component. The name of that component is list. So you can write lists. Okay, let's import it. So write import and then lists from address. It's yeah. So let's see whether it is working or not. Wait a second. Okay, it is showing us some error. List does not contain a default export. Okay, so I forgot to export it. So just write export default and then name of your component. Yeah, now save it and custom component. Yeah, okay, so yeah, as you can see we are getting 3 list items according to the array that we have created in our component. Yeah, that means it is working fine. So in this way you can use list and you can show multiple components. So yeah, similarly you can also show here, let's say you have created a component, you can also write your component name over here. Right now I'm showing the list item element. Similarly you can also show over here your own component. Also if I inspect it, you would see some error. Yeah, as you can see here we are getting the error that key prop is missing. So whenever you show dynamic elements in the web page, it gives you error because React want to keep track of each and every element. So that's why it needs key element with everything that is showing on the web page. So we need to mention with list item key property. So you can give any key to it. Let's say I'm giving it same item that I'm showing. Okay, so when you give the key, now error will not come. So generally we give key because React by key React knows like which element has been updated. Okay, so yeah, I hope now you understood how to use list and how to use key inside list whenever you are showing multiple components. So yeah, thank you. See you in the next video.